you sure?
Yeah. Yeah.
Need help?
You can get that side, Daddy.
What is that?
It's a hula hoop.
Oh, it is a hula hoop. You were right.
It's a circle. I want to try it.
Okay.
I just learned all about it.
That was good. Try again. That was good. You've got the moves. Good. Well, now you'll be able to practice. Ooh, Liam loves hula hoops.
William's going to try it out. This is the same we got at the store, remember?
Yes. What is it? Let me see. Show it to me. Tinkerbell.
I'm going to open it so I can try it. It's not a movie. But we'll see. How about this? It's a big thing, but it's a book.
Yeah.
What is a book? Book about Tinkerbell.
Yeah.
But this is a different book. So we'll put it with all my movies.
Okay.
Well, I want to put my book with the movies because it snaps and makes noise. This is the first one I opened. So I'm going to open another one of them. Hey!
Yay!
I always wanted my paint.
Yay!
Well, you used to have some, right? ¿No tenías una ya?
Oh, it got thrown out because she painted where she wasn't supposed to. But now she's 4 years old and she's gonna just paint where she's supposed to be, right?